Marilyn. Okay, so I'm here to deliver. You have 3 packs of choco pie. Okay, 3. And also, since Teacher Lorraine is not here man ha, you will tell to her nga mo adto mo og Jollibee. You're going to have a Jollibee mukbang together with Teacher Lorraine and Big Eliza. Okay ha. So you have 1,000 pesos. Kanya si Teacher Lorraine lay mo handle ninyo. Okay. And that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Uncle Kim Sarangnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Nga sa'yo, Nicole.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so today is your birthday, right? Okay. So, how old are you naman, day?
18.
18. Okay, so you are now in legal age. Okay. So, Nicole, Ura Chachanim gives you 4,000 pesos for your birthday celebration. Okay. So, please kuhaan day 4,000 pesos.
Chachanim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. And also, Ura Chachanim also gives 1,000 pesos for the cake fee. You're going to buy cake ha? Worth 1,000 pesos. Okay.
Chachanim, kamsahamnida for my birthday celebration and cake.
Okay. So, Ura Chachanim gives me a bedel fee 1,000 pesos. So, Ura Chachanim, kamsamida.
Chachanim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yo.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos each for Janica. Okay, and Andrea, Sanya, Akina, and also April. And lastly, April, for your congratulations money. Okay, additional 1,000 pesos. Okay, and that is all from Bunim.
Uncle Bonim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Kita na. Okay, so you have 500 pesos no? Mission from Big Churinim. So, Big Churinim. Okay, 500 pesos worth of sari-sari for Kitana. So, Isoyo. Lots of snacks. And also Ken, shampoo, aras. Okay. So, insa na langga.
Bichirni, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, proceed na to. Bye-bye. Sa'yo, Diana.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you have here 500 pesos worth of sari-sari products. So, mostly snacks. Kusugay ka mo og snacks day. Isi also noodles and biscuits, milk. Oh, milk and can. Okay, so that is total of 500 pesos. O kinsay nagatag inday?
Bichirni, kamsahamnida.
Okay, pakita ni Teacher Vivian ha, dili ka mulakaw diretso ha. Pagun ka kani. Okay. Bye-bye. Angela. Okay, so kisa may naghatag ana inday. Kinsa? Picture name. Sure? Picture name. Okay. So picture name gives you sari-sari worth of 500 pesos. Isuyo mostly snacks. Okay, snacks. Milk, can, shampoo, and soap. But mostly snacks, no? Okay. So, insa na?
Bichirni, kamsahamnida.
Okay, proceed na to. Bye-bye. Yung nga sa'yo, Eunice. So, I will check your sari-sari ha. 500 pesos worth of sari-sari products. So, you have here many snacks na. Okay, alaso. Mostly snacks. So, yung uyu. Milk. Okay. So, kisa may naghatag na hindi? Iho Jinim. Okay.
Bichirni, kamsahamnida.
Okay, proceed na to ha. Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
So So yesterday is your birthday celebration, no? Yeah, how was it?
Happy.
Happy? Happy ra kayo. So, today, I'm here to deliver your 3,000 birthday allowance. Okay? And you also have 2,000 for savings. Okay? For the total of 5,000 pesos. Unya, take a picture sa imong balance in ha. Okay. Kinsa naghatag?
Dong Janim.
Okay.
Dong Janim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sa'yo, Majinims gives 200 to first size. So, Pares na ako, palitan mo ko.
One school supply personnel, counter 2 please. Hello. Again, one school supply personnel, counter 2 please.
Dong Janim, kamsahamnida. For Choco Pie. Masawag ka lang kanina ini. Ayaw! Ayun ako maliit na. Annyeonghaseyo. Today I will eat Jin ramen. Dong Janim, thank you for this Jin ramen. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. Maayo mo lang po, Min.